feel like a lot of people struggle with mental health and wanting to kill themselves some days and some days not. I wanted to write a song about the good days, and I wanted to write a song about the bad days and how that could change pretty quickly. So this song is called The Losing Side. You guys like it? Woke up this morning with those thoughts in my head. It ain't the good kind these days. Maybe today I'll make a change, but who cares anyway? So I loaded up my daddy's old 6-shooter gun. I don't wanna walk when my mind wants me to run. I want my last words to be the same haggard tune, and oh, the one that makes me think of you. And maybe God will give me silver wings, and I'll fly up to heaven while me and the angels sing. Swing by and by. I could never win the fight, 'cause I was always on the losing side. About the time they know I'm gone, I'll be peacefully asleep, my favorite song. They don't deserve to see me bleed 'cause of my depressive greed. And I could turn around and just go home, but it's hard to pull yourself up when you feel it in your bones. So I poured it all into a pretty little note. Can't take back those words I wrote. So I won't load up my daddy's old 6-shooter gun. I'll learn how to walk when my mind wants me to run. And I'll say the sweetest words for that same haggard tune. You know, the one makes me think of you. So God won't give me silver wings. Hell, I've never heard an angel sing. And my demons are familiar friends of mine. I don't know if there's any winners, but I ain't on the losing side. Woke up this morning with those thoughts in my head. It's the good kind today. Thank you. This song is called Shape I'm In. I try not to screw up the words. I'm actually going to keep them over here. This is a newer song I wrote, one I do like. I think a lot of the time when we're talking to people, especially, think when we try and really share what we feel, it's hard to share that. It's hard to share how fucked up we are. How bad we can be sometimes. This song's called "The Shape I'm In." Hope you guys like it. I'm buried in the rubble, my destructive ways. Oh, I cope with the thoughts, I cope with the pain. With this tightrope pain, gonna support this weight. Oh, I can't take it all, but I'm the one to blame. Oh. No, you don't understand my trouble. You don't know the shape I'm in. No, you don't understand my trouble. And you don't know the shape I'm in. Maybe it's my fault, maybe it's yours. Oh, I tried to hide the truth behind the locked door. You won't pull it out, I'm just too afraid. Oh, I don't like the person I've become today. Oh, no. No, you don't understand my trouble. You don't know the shape I'm in. No, you don't understand my trouble. You don't know the shape I'm in. The shape I'm in. The shape I'm in. No, you don't understand my trouble, and you don't know the shape I'm in. This is my last one. This is the only song I really care about I've ever written. I wrote this song for my nephew who passed away. This song's called Little Ghost. I hope you guys like this one. Again, my name is Zachary Kline. I got merch and stuff. This song's out. I put out an EP about last December, putting out a record in June. So if you guys like it, shoot me a follow on socials or come talk to me. It's always cool too. So this song's called Little Ghost. Hope you guys like this one. I was 1 year from busting out of here, leaving this dead-end town behind. Like a sentence almost finished, I'd anticipate the ride. My windows rolled down and the radio turned up high, like a big game of hide and seek. Said I never wanted to be found, and intuition told me I'd never be coming back around. And the girl I loved was fading out, nothing left worth sticking around. And we've been through more than two hearts could take. Our loss of innocence would caused us to break, and these little ghosts roam the halls behind my eyes. There was a time when I loved you the most. I wasn't made for this small town life. I wasn't made for this small town life. Whoa, this small town life. Well, her voice from the past lives in my mind, buried with old feelings that no one will find, right next to those memories of our dates at the creek and the child we couldn't keep. I often think about his or her face and the games that we played and the monsters that we chased while our mama was cooking supper in the house. I dreamt of a white picket fence that wraps all the way around, and these little ghosts roam the halls behind my eyes. There was a time when I loved you the most. I wasn't made for this small town life. I wasn't made for this small town life. Whoa, this small town life. Well, I often question God's design, why He takes things of mine, makes me make decisions beyond my time. Why did He make you suffer? Why did He break our hearts? Did He know what we were doing right from the very start? And these little ghosts roam the halls behind my eyes. There was a time when I loved you the most. I wasn't made for this small town life. I wasn't made for this small town life. Whoa, this small town life.